Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. It's 9,000 square meters ready for title. Actually, it's tax declaration, but it is ready for title. So, lahi diri guys, kay sa amo sa Bohol guys, kasagaran amo ang property from tax declaration directly processed to DNR. So, no need to pass to BIR. So, dili na may muagi sa BIR. Diretso na ni guys. Title na diretso. Pa-title na may diretso. Then, the property are all flat terrain. Second lot from the concrete road. Ikaduhara ni nga lot guys. And it has coconut trees. Tag-as na ang lubi. It has coconut trees. Pero okay pa ni siya kung imong kung anong maayo. Matarong ni mo ang mga lubi or magam. Okay na. Okay ra. Yeah. Some portions of the property can be converted into rice field kay lupa man. Ubos ba? Lowland. So, then there is also an elevated that can be converted into residential house. It is second lot, interior lot, and it has neighborhoods. So, daghan dig silingan guys. Pero ari ka dire, okay ra gyud kayo. So, it has so many neighborhoods. So, mo na siya guys. So, ang property dire guys kanang near to the one which was controversial. It was the Captain's Peak. Captain's Peak kato bitawng with swimming pool nga resort. Duol dire. So, it's very close. And here is really a good climate guys kay especially during night time bugnaw gyud dire. Morning bugnaw dire guys. It's really morning. It's really cool. Cold climate. Lahi ra gyud. It's different from the other locations in Bohol. Yeah. Daghang silingan. There are so many neighborhood. Ngadto dapit sa Karsada. It's the highway. So makita man nato there are neighborhoods already. And I noticed that there are also 4 mango trees. Upat ka mangga. So mo na obserbahan ako guys no. There are 4 mango trees. Let's see. So nindot kay dire kay daghang silingan. So kinsa man to nga dili ganahan og way silingan dire ta daghan tag silingan guys. Sikan latra from concrete road. Nya. Napoy daghang chocolate hills dire is dool guys. Masanay usas na ka kuan din. Here from the site to the Tagbilaran City, more or less 1 hour. 1 hour drive. 1 hour drive lang gina siya kay shortcut naman ta sa Katigbian to Sagbayan, Bohol. There is one chocolate not belong to the property. Na usa ka chocolate hills next to the lot or I think it's adjacent. So diri napita guys mo ni elevated no nindot balayan. Malay naka-advantage diri guys. So see. Mga silingan kita nimo. Kasi one mango tree. Nindot kayo. From Tubigon, Bohol, more or less naagi dire sa mga 30 minutes drive guys. Daghan mga foreigners dire guys. Nagiambang ra gani anang mga kuan. There are many foreigners nagyabang ang mga balay, renting a house nearby. See, that's the neighborhood. So ato yung gituyok ang property. Makita rin mga siligan guys. Oh. Sulod nimo sa property wala na, okay na kayo. Pero adto ka sa kuan karsada, there are so many. Actually, owner is not around. Balo ko na. Then, the owner is relative of this guy. May companion, so see. And this is the road right of way, guys. The proposed road right of way. No? This one. Water, electricity, signal are available. Ang signal, guys, dili kayo kusog pero nanamatay mga kuwaran booster. So mo to na water line o gusto po kag puso pump kada pwede. This is the neighborhood, guys. So lahat tao no na pwede ganahan na silingan. Di ta pwede dire pero ganahan mo nga silingan wala siya, guys. These are the neighborhoods. So, di proceed na ta sa unahan. So kanang mga balay manindot, guys, na nagiambang ana mga foreigner, guys. Muna na siya abot pasabot nako. So kita na to mga Chocolate Hills, no. Kana at di back ana diha pita so si libre na katanaw Chocolate Hills. So there is the Captain Peaks, Captain's Peak na diha. Ya, na po diha dool mga balay kini mga balaya, guys, gipaambangan nagtag 23,000 pesos per month. Mga foreigner ginagiambang niya, guys, kana naglinya dito. Mga foreigner ni puyo dia. So si bugnaw mo dire. Mika na sa mga mountains. So si mana siya, guys. Bugnaw gyud dire. It's really cool. Climate is different. Yan. Highway, very close from highway. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. And if you have property or properties for sale, just let me know. So, very nice. Silindot kayo. There's so many Chocolate Hills. You can walk to the Chocolate Hills. May problema na, guys. Pwede ka mag-walking na. So, Panglao Airport is 1 hour. 1 hour and a half. Guys. Okay, thank you. God bless. Bye.